We know the beginning of the semester can be hectic and stressful for instructors. Every Oxford Insight course comes with a multitude of assignments and activities your students can begin completing immediately. Before adding or removing content from your course, find out how to set due dates and begin an exciting semester with OI. Due dates can be set for assignments individually or as a bulk update. This video will walk through both options. To begin, log in to Oxford Insight and click on the course you wish to edit. Under the Instructor Tools menu, navigate to Activity Settings. To individually update due dates, click into the Open Date, Due Date, and Close Date options of the desired task and set your date and time. Checking the Graded box on the right indicates that the grade should be recorded in the gradebook. When you've finished making updates, be sure to save your changes. To update multiple assignments at a time, you will use the Batch Update functionality. Click the box next to any assignments you wish to update or add a due date to. Click the Batch Update button. Select Update Dates and Times. Update all the fields you wish to edit, adding in your dates, and click Save Changes. Then, click Update to confirm your selections. For more information or further help, please visit the Oxford Insight Knowledge Base. Have a great semester.